Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new videos. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to hold angles in Valorant. So, in the specific videos guys, I will use Cypher as my agent to show you more specific how to use Cypher to hold angles in Valorant. So, first of all guys, I will go ahead and click on play and then I will go to a custom game and I will choose the essence map and then let me just go to standard and then options and I will allow sheets, close, and then let's go start match. So basically I want to the defenders. That's how I can really show you how to defend well and how to hold angles. So let me just pick Cypher and now let's go inside of the game. And basically Cypher has multiple utilities guide to hold angles. You just have to only know where to put your traps and where to put your camera and so on. So now what I'm going to do is let me just go here. Let me just like load into the game first. And I think I can give myself enough money because I allowed sheets. So best timer, infinite abilities, infinite ammo, infinite crits. So here we go. So now I have infinite crits. I can go here, buy whatever I like. So here we go. Now, in order for you to hold angles with Cypher, what I highly suggest you to do is put a trap over here. So this is a trap that I highly like suggest you to do because if you put any traps in here or here, it will be easy for them to like shoot them out. But here they must like peek into them to actually destroy them, and by the end they will pass through this. So here I highly suggest that you put this, and I suggest you guys to put a trap over here as well because mostly like the people when they will get in you will donate trigger this, you will shoot some of them, you will kill someone, then they will go here to close this door. So once they go here to close this door they will pass through this one as well and you will shoot them, a second dead body, and that's like so you kill two people. Now let's say that you have put it everything, so now before they attack you, where do you must like hold in order to like hold an angle? So now you have trap here, you have a trap here, and you have this one in here. Now I highly suggest that you first put a camera over here and then you go and hold this angle over here. So with that, what you could do is you can hold the whole A side by your traps, and then you can hold even like this angle of this the midway of this map by your own as well, so you can check if anyone is going from mid. So that's how you can actually hold angles. But again, if you're trying to pick from this angle, try to go, guys, from this side of this place. So if you want from this place, the enemy will see you first. So it is something really weird environment, but currently if you go like next to the wall like that, the enemy will see you first and it will shoot you first. But if you want from here, let me just go to sheets or like so, and let me just pause match on. So if I want from here, they will see me first and they will kill me. But if I want from this side, which is over here, you can just pick like that and go back, peek, go back, peek, go back, peek, and go back. And I will be really fast and I will be the one who is seeing them first. So yeah guys, that's how you can hold angles in Valorant. While you can do that while you are peeking over here and holding this angle, you can keep using your camera over here to check if anyone is coming. You can even press F to use to trigger your cage and shoot people. So yeah guys, thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.